G'day from the Bureau with your national forecast for Saturday, the 7th of December. And as you'd expect this time of year, a lot of weather going on. Rain and storms moving through southeastern parts of the country with severe thunderstorms likely with heavy falls there. And that'll extend up through central and across much of northern Australia as well. Looking pretty dry and humid though along the east coast, and also looking like heat and continuing to build across parts of the Pilbara, though it will be a little bit cooler in the southwest. But let's have a look at that in more detail around the country. Firstly, in Queensland, you can see temperatures in the west really starting to heat up, getting into the low 40s through western Queensland. Showers and will continue across much of the tropical north, and we could see a few thunderstorms there as well, while much of the east coast is looking at dry, warm and humid conditions with temperatures in the low 30s, while showers and thunderstorms will once again start developing across the southern inland during the afternoon and evening. Saturday looking at warm and humid one in Brisbane, 30 degrees. So let's move down the coast into New South Wales, where you can see this very large area of rain and thunderstorm activity across southern and central parts of the state. They will continue moving eastwards during this day on Saturday, but only getting light falls with only some patchy hit and miss showers along the east coast. Another warm and hot day across much of the state. Sea breezes keeping the far northeast a little bit cooler, but definitely warm through central parts. Showers and a possible storm and 32 in Sydney, while it's going to be a little bit wetter and stormier in Canberra, 29 degrees. But note the far west clearing out and warming up behind this weather system. Then as we move into Victoria, we've got rain and thunderstorms through central and eastern parts of the state. That'll move out as we move during the afternoon hours and all gone by this evening. But it will be warm across western parts of the state in that sunny conditions. While Melbourne looking at a showery morning, which should clear during the afternoon, and 27 degrees. Moving down into Tasmania, we've got widespread rain and shower activity across much of the state as that weather system moves through. But again, we should start at clearing most of the state, bar the west and the south by the evening hours. A lot cooler as well, with temperatures in the low 20s, with a few spots getting a bit higher than that. Hobart itself looking at 23 degrees with a few showers. Now moving back up into South Australia, we're going to see heat really continuing across northern and eastern parts, with temperatures flirting with 40 across much of northern parts. Further south though, much cooler and drier after a wet few days. Good to see the odd isolated shower along the south coast, and Adelaide, possible shower and 28 degrees on Saturday. Now moving into WA, heat will continue across much of the Pilbara, 45 you can see there around Newman. So much of the mining area is looking at a very hot day on Saturday, and pretty warm as well through much of the southeast, getting into the low to mid 30s, with rain and thunderstorms continuing through our eastern inland parts. Perth looking at a sunny 33 degrees. Now moving up into the tropical north, again widespread showers and thunderstorms expected across much of northern Australia, and extending down into southern parts of the NT as well. Temperatures will be in the low to mid 30s for much of the state and the tropical north with these showers and storms. Darwin looking at 33 degrees with 31 degrees I should say, with showers and thunderstorms. And now a quick look at Sunday. Similar conditions right across the country, with showers and storms across our inland areas and southern parts of WA. Showers and storms also moving into northeast New South Wales and southeast Queensland, and they're continuing across our tropical north, while cooler and dry conditions in the southeast, bar a few showers in Tasmania. 34 in Brisbane, 27 in Sydney, 29 and sunny in Canberra with that weather clearing out. A cool and cloudy 20 degrees in Melbourne, 18 degrees in Hobart with a couple of showers, and we could even see snow for elevated areas there in Tasmania on Sunday. 26 and partly cloudy in Adelaide, a warm sunny 34 in Perth, and across the top showers and thunderstorms and 32 degrees. So with all this weather around the country this weekend, make sure you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website and the Bomb Weather app.